Series 28, 228,000 pesos. Actually, ma'am, ito na lang ata yung nag-iisa naming business affinity. So, si ma'am, you're a returning client. Comfort na to. Di ba talagang binabalik-balikan tayo ng mga clients natin?
We also wanted to thank you because you've been such an inspiration to us. And I myself, I am so inspired by you.
New day, new bag. We have here, Ma'am
Jonah,
and
Bless you.
mother and daughter po.
Yeah.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. You're a business owner po?
yeah.
Family business. Anong business niyo, ma'am?
Nasa surveying industry kami. Kumbaga, nagbebenta kami ng mga, alam mo yung nagsusukat ng lupa, yung mga geodetic engineer, sila yung end user, no? Yan ang binibenta naman namin.
The name of the company is G-Serve. So, G-Serve.
Ang unique ng business nila, ma'am. First time
Actually,
first time to break.
can you show it to you?
Oh,
That's why.
Ayun pala, maganda match ko na yan.
ito yung equipment.
RCE. Bali, binibenta nyo tong...
Only one unit, pero pair dapat siya. Siniseta po ito sa
Ay,
isang
ganito,
tripod.
ganyan, di ba? Ganyan.
Correct. Tapos,
Ganyan,
nagano po siya
kung
through
gaano-
satellite.
Ay, gano'n?
Yung acquisition niya ng signal through satellite.
Ang
Para
galing.
kahit malayo, gano'ng kalayo ang inaabot nito?
Actually po, kasi ito po, tumatakbo ito. Yung base niya po, meaning, meron po siyang naglalakad. Ang tawag po kasi sa kanya is rover. So yung base niya po, doon po siya kumukol, yun ang bumabato sa kanya, nagko-communicate sila. From there, magbibigay po siya ng position kung saan niya pupuntahan. Ganun po yun. Madali na po ngayon magsukat ng lupa, kunyari, hektarya, gusto niyo po magpasukan, madali po.
So, how much yung ganito, ma'am?
It takes nasa around 450,000.
Oh, mahal.
450,000?
450,000?
Yes.
So, kailangan dalawa din, gano'n?
Yeah. Ano, may pair po siya.
pair.
Oh, ito, dala lang namin isa lang kasi cute siya.
Pair na yung
450,000.
450,000.
From there, bigay po siya ng
Mas accurate.
Yes. Then, yung genetic engineer, siya na po magpanyari kung saan yung mga mohon. Di ba yung mga mohon, siya sa 10, through that, magbibigay siya ngayon ng position. And then yung area niya, kukumpiti.
May lifespan din to, ma'am? Or until forever?
Forever po, hanggang ano mga po yan. Hanggat ano po, nasa paggagamit po na.
Okay. Patingin niya.
Ito yung ano niya, ganito siya, sineset up siya. Tapos kung kahit malayo, abot yan.
Ganun po.
Sukat.
Tapos whenever we do market, like for example, I myself din po kasi nag-help ako with marketing sa parents ko po. So, syempre, new day, new bag. So, we try to recreate it on our own. Like,
Ano
new
na,
day, new
RTK.
RTK.
Wow, thank you.
Meaning real-time kinematics.
450,000 pesos.
Ay, halaga.
Babayaran mo na yan.
Nagpag pa po yan.
Not So, mag-add pa ng 12%.
Ganun. Hello, boss.
Siya yung
Bossing natin
husband.
yan, ha?
Hello. So, you're going to pick up your 2 orders. This is Jacquemus Legrand Chiquito. Ang cute niya, laki niya, no? So, this is light new condition, 50,000 pesos. So, may occasion kayong paggagamitan, ma'am?
For wedding.
Ng friend?
Yun na. No. Aking
Eldest
son.
Okay.
He's a genetic engineer also.
So, si ma'am, you're a returning client.
Yeah.
Comfort na to,
Yeah.
in short. So, this is the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
The Chanel Hobo bag and then Gucci bag. Di ba talagang binabalik-balikan tayo ng mga clients natin? Pero first time natin mag-meet and first time natin mag-vlog. So, yung before, ma'am, puro delivery lang tayo.
No. Pinikap na.
Pinik up niya?
Yes.
Wala lang ako.
Wala ka lang. So,
Sabi ko,
happy
wala.
na.
Morning.
Morning
oo.
or lunch nung pumunta kami.
Kasi nagigising ako mga 12 noon. Hindi talaga ako morning person. So, yan, finally, nice to meet you, ma'am. Pleasure to meet you. Miss Jonah and Blessy.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for you, ma'am, no? This is for your daughter. Tapos, ito naman, this is the Chanel Business Affinity, size small. Before, considered siyang mini, but since naglabas sila ng size mini, recently lang, 2023. So, ngayon naging size small na siya. So, this was introduced 2017. So, medyo bago-bago pa lang yung style niya. So, originally, yung design nito, ma'am, yung flap niya is smooth lang yung design. And then, naglabas na sila ng quilted design. Yung color niya is navy blue, almost black. Parang nga siyang black kapag hindi mo alam yung color.
Pag medyo malayo.
Series 28, 228,000 pesos. Actually, ma'am, ito na lang ata yung nag-iisa naming business affinity. Tapos meron pa siyang back pocket. And then dito, may front pocket pa siya. Ang dami niyang pocket. Ayan. Ayan. And you're paying in cash, ma'am, no? Thank you, ma'am.
And also
Oo.
po, kasi we also wanted to thank you because you've been such an inspiration to us. Not just the two of us, but everybody who's watching you. And I myself, I'm at this young age, I am so inspired by you. Of course, kasi po, parang kami, we also really wanted to get bags because for us, it's not just an item, but it's a marker of our journey. It's like more of accomplishment to us. So even with me, also, I really want myself to also create, open to opportunities like own business. Especially if that's really into you. For example, you're really into bags, then go for it because you're gonna get it whatever it takes. So,
Thank you for supporting First Miss. So,
Yes,
thank you for
yes.
waiting also.
thank you so much.
Thank you. And
Thank you so
congrats sa eldest son nyo. Thank you, Miss Jonah and Blessy. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you, Thank you, Miss.
Finally nakita ko.
Thank you.